Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add outline effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this you can add the video that you want to edit. And now you can click on the effect at the bottom, and then click on the style. Click on the style, and after this you can swipe until you can see outline, this one. So you just click on it, and in here you can see outline 1 until 4. You can add the outline effect that you want. In here, this one, the outline 1, and then this is outline 2, and this is the outline 3. But in here I want to add outline 1, and then in here you can adjust the outline. So you just click on this button, this one, and then in here you can set the intensity like this, and now you can click down in here and finish. So that's how to add outline effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.